come shop with me at Ulta with my sister. She told me she was gonna buy me a gift, so I got in the car and I left immediately. But my sister, like always, she knew what she wanted, she was ready, and she knew where all the sales were. While she was exploring her own makeup, I went to see my favorite brand, NYX, and I saw this really cute primer. It looks like glue. I also tried Ariana Grande's new perfume, which melts so good on my skin. After that, I found my sister's skin matching a foundation that she's heard really good things about. One of the employees was wearing it and his skin was flawless. We just had to get it. She's always finding the best things. I checked out my second favorite brand, UVA, because of the pigmentations of their product, but I didn't see any sales, so I moved on. But I saw this really cute frosty palette for ColourPop. Oh my god, so cute. ColourPop has one of my favorite glitter creams, but I never have the occasion to actually use it, but look how bright it is. This blender's been through it. Came back to the NYX aisle. I'm looking specifically for eyeshadow pencils or eyeshadow creams. Since I've tried this brand multiple times, I know that's one of my favorite. I found these liquid eyeshadows. I was loving the color, but I didn't like the consistency when I tried on my hand. So I went for the classics NYX Jumbo Pencil, one of my favorite makeup items to buy ever. It's perfect for eyeliner and for shadows. It's so pigmented and it lasts all day for me. I wish I could own every single color, but I'm just gonna pick some that look good with brown eyes, blue and purple. I found my sister and she had an eye on these peel off lip liners. She needs to look things up while I have to swatch everything that I try. These are the 3 colors we were looking at for the peel off liners, and here I am testing it on my hand just to be 100% sure before we buy anything that's sealed. I wanted to see how many layers of the product to use and how it would look like after. And if your hands don't look like this after Sephora or Ulta, what are you doing? You're doing it wrong. Finally, my sister and I, like every other girl, we're gonna try out the products I'm most excited for in the car. While I struggled to open it, my sister already had lined her lips. The color is darker of what the lips are gonna be underneath, so don't be scared of that. You can see it here. Mine is super bright. I got in color coral and my sister got in the color pink. The result for the pink color is super natural. You can see it on my sister. It's very pink and subtle, but it looks really good on her. Peeling it off is so satisfying. I would definitely recommend a few more layers of the liner just to make it easier for you to peel, but the color underneath is so beautiful. I'm really happy with this stain color, and so is my sister, and we can 100% say that this is sister approved. All of the products are going to be linked down below, so like and subscribe and comment for more.